Good morning, students. Let's go for the next problem. The budgeted expenses for the production of 10,000 units in a factory are given below. There are the two columns, particulars per unit column is there. So everything per unit is given. Material, labor, direct variable expenses. All the three we will take it to the prime cost. Always remember direct material, direct labor and direct expenses should be treated as a variable. So rate is constant, amount is variable. Okay, so we have to calculate the amount. After that they are given variable overheads. If only variable or a fixed is given, we can take it to the factory. So variable overheads, variable means rate is constant, amount we have to calculate. Selling expenses 15% fixed, then 85% is variable. We have to do the working note. Distribution expenses 20% fixed, 80% variable. We have to do the working note. Administrative expenses fixed, that means all administrative expenses is fixed. So we have to multiply one time 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Same 50,000 should be taken to the other column, amount column, because fixed means amount is constant, rate is variable. Fixed overheads, again fixed means amount is constant. So 10 into 10,000, if we calculate 1 lakh, you will get that 1 lakh will be taken to the other total column. Prepare flexible budget for the production of 12,000 units. Okay, let's do the working note. So first, selling expenses 15% fixed and 85% variable. Selling expenses is given 13. To calculate selling total expenses, 13 into the information is given for 10,000 units. Okay, if you multiply, you will get 1,30,000. Okay, this 1,30,000, from that how much percentage? Fixed. So 15 percentage is fixed. So 15% is 19,500. Variable 1,30,000 into 85%. That is 1,10,500. But for variable we required per unit. So 1,10,000 divide 500 divided by 10,000, and you will get 11.05 per unit. Same way for administrative overheads, we have to calculate 7 is given into 10,000, it is 70,000. For a fixed, 70,000 into 20%, you will get 14,000. For variable, 70,000 into 80%, you will get 56,000. But for variable we required per unit. For variable we required per unit. So 56,000 divided by 10,000, you will get 5.6. You will get 5.6. Okay, for administrative overheads, all is fixed. 5 is given into 10,000. You will get 50,000 is the amount. 50,000 is the amount. Okay, after that we have to prepare the statement. For a statement we have to do it for 10,000 units as well as for 12,000 units. So 10,000 units for variable. See, direct material should be treated as always variable. Okay. Variable means rate is constant. So 70, 25, 5. 70, 25, 5. 70, 25, 5. If you multiply, you will get 10,000 into 70, 7 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000, 25,000, 25 into 10,000, 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Same 17 to 12,000, 8,40,000, 25,000, 25 into 12,000 to 3,60,000, 5 into 12,000. The add you will get prime cost 10 lakh, 100, 12 lakhs, 100. Okay, now you have to add variable overheads, all variable. It means rate is constant 20, 20. If you multiply, you will get 2 lakhs, 2,40,000, 20 into 12,000. Then selling expenses, fixed how much we calculated 19,500, 19,500 in the both the amount column. 19,500 divided by 10,000, you'll get 1.95. 19,000 divided by 12,000, you'll get 1.63. Variable rate is constant, we calculated 11.05, 11.05. To multiply 10,000, you will get 1,10,500. With 12,000, if you multiply 1,32,600. Distribution expenses fixed means amount is fixed, so we calculated 14,000. 14,000 rate we have to calculate by dividing 10,000. You will get, by dividing 10,000, you will get 1.14, 1.17 dividing 12,000. Variable rate is constant, we calculated 5.6, 5.6. To multiply 56,000 and 67,200, if you multiply with administrative overheads, all fixed, so 5 into 10,000 will get 50,000. 50,000 takes in the amount column. 50,000 you take it in the amount column. If you divide 12,000, you will get 4.17. For all fixed, 10 into 10,000, you will get 1 lakh. Same 1 lakh should be taken to other amount column. Divided by 12,000, you will get 8.33. If you take all the totals, you will get